Now picture this, you're spreading down a ski slope, snow glistening everywhere, and bam, there is a freaking desert right next door. And it sounds like a crazy Dubai thing, right? But no, welcome to the new Saudi Arabia. Mind blowing, right? Hi there, I'm Zach from Emifast, and we're a tax reduction global business setup wizards based in Dubai. Check our website if you want to know more about how we help people like you game the system, and that all legally, of course. So Dubai has been crushing it, turning their sandbox into a business paradise, and they've gone all out. Fancy infrastructure, sweet tax deals, and they've seriously chilled out on strict cultural stuff. It's like they hit the turbo button on becoming the world's coolest business hangout. And let me tell you, it is working, because the place is full of energy and money. And guess who has been taking notes? That was Saudi Arabia. They're right next door, swimming in oil money with a royal family that's equally loaded. And now they're thinking, hey, we can do this too, but bigger. And that's a classic Saudi move. And here's the thing, while UAE's success is mostly about Dubai, Saudi is going all in. And we are talking about countrywide changes. It's like watching a whole nation decide to reinvent itself overnight. I think that is wild. I mean, have we ever seen this before? They are launching things out with some serious buildings. And we are talking about 25 giga projects. And yeah, that is a real term. These are massive developments meant to juice up the whole economy. They have got $1 trillion tied up in this project, and that is trillion with a T. And the crown jewel, that will be NEOM. It's a huge 10,200 square mile playground in the northwest of Saudi. And inside that, there is a line, a crazy 105 mile long city that's only 650 feet wide. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening. And oh yeah, that's also the place where you can find the desert ski resort. Skiing in the deserts, what a time to be alive. They have got this place called Diriyah, and I'm not sure if I pronounced it correct, but it's just a stone throw away from Riyadh. And we're talking about massive stadiums, shops, restaurants, and it works. And don't even get me started on the new Murabba. It's got this thing called Mukab, and supposedly the biggest build structure of its kind. Homes, hotels, shops, it's like they're building a whole new world from scratch. But it's not just about cool buildings. The Saudis are copying Dubai's homework on making business super easy. No personal income tax, competitive corporate rates, and they're setting up these things called free zones. Let's actually call them paradise zones for businesses. It's like they're rolling out the red carpet for anyone with business ID and a bit of cash. And get this, they're making it way easier for people to move there. They have got these premium residence visas now, and the latest one, if you pay $213,000 and you can get a permanent residency for life and also for your family. And it sounds like they're really trying to get people interested, right? I mean, that's not pocket change, but for a permanent residency, it could be a steal. Now, the big question is, can they pull off the cultural shift? Because that's where things get tricky. Saudi Arabia have been known for being pretty strict, culturally speaking then. But man, they are throwing everything they've got to this makeover. It's like watching a country-sized game of Extreme Makeover Nation Edition. Now, will it work? Who knows? But one thing is for sure, the Saudis are dead serious about joining the global party. They're not just dipping their toes in the water, they're doing a full cannonball. Grab your popcorn, because this is going to be a show. What about the cultural aspect? Now, Saudi Arabia still needs to change some old rules. Dubai has already changed a lot. Now, in Dubai, you can drink alcohol, wear less covering clothes, and you can show love in public. These things are easy to find in most parts of Dubai. A new casino is being built in Ras Al Khaimah, and this shows the UAE is moving away from old traditions even more, and they're really becoming like the safe Las Vegas. Saudi is not there yet. They've got all these Sharia laws still in place, controlling everything from alcohol to hand-holding to whatever you can wear. And funny enough, they banned alcohol way back in '52, but just this year they cracked open a new liquor store in Riyadh's fancy diplomat area. And it's only for non-Muslim diplomats, but I think it's baby steps, right? Now the Crown Prince, he's trying to push for some more chill social rules and loosen things up. But really, those super conservative religions are giving them a hard time. The Saudis royals aren't dumb enough. They know it's risky to have all your eggs in one basket, and that's oil in their case. They are taking notes from places like Dubai. My bet, they will change. Because let's face it, there's only one thing that most people care about more than religion, and that is the chance to get filthy rich. Or the royals, it's about staying rich. My bet is always the money.